And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kapet Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. Have you ever followed what God asked you to do? And instead of doors opening, everything felt like it was falling apart. You obeyed, you prayed, you trusted, but all you got were heartaches, delays, and confusion. If that's you, I want you to listen closely tonight because we'll talk about someone who went through all that, yet never gave up on God's purpose for his life. His name is Jeremiah. And maybe just like me, or maybe just like you will see a bit of your own story in his. So every week we share stories of about faith, about life, about growth that reminds us that God's plan always have a purpose, even we don't see it yet. So tonight's story is close to my heart because like Jeremiah, I have walked through seasons of pain, waiting, and uncertainty. But I've learned that even in tears, God's promises still stand. So in the Bible, Jeremiah was called by God at a young age. He didn't feel ready. He said, Sovereign Lord, I do not know how to speak. I am too young. But God replied in Jeremiah 1 verses 7, do not say I am too young. You must go to everyone I send you and to say whatever I command you. God already knew Jeremiah's purpose before he was even born. Jeremiah 1 verses 5 says, before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I set you apart. But Jeremiah's journey wasn't easy. He faced rejection, loneliness, betrayal, and even moments when he wanted to quit. He cried out to God many times, saying, why is this happening, Lord? And yet, even in his pain, Jeremiah chose to believe that God's purpose was still good. He held on to God's promise written in Jeremiah 29 verses 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. So that version became his anchor and it has become mine too. Because like Jeremiah, there are moments in my life when I don't understand what God is doing. There are days when I feel tired, when plans don't go the way I hope, when I question, Lord, why this path? But every time I pray, I hear the gentle reminder, Lori, I know the plans I have for you. And I hold on because I know that even I don't see the full picture yet, I know God is working behind the scenes. So like Jeremiah, I have faced disappointments, heartaches, and delays. But I also seen how God can take broken seasons and turn them into beautiful testimonies. Maybe you're in the season right now, the waiting, the hurting, the uncertain, but I want to tell you, your pain is not wasted. God is shaping you, preparing you, refining you because He still has a purpose in your life. And one day you will look back and say, now I understand. God really turned it all for good. So tonight I want to encourage you. Don't give up. Even when it hurts, keep trusting. Even when it's quiet, keep praying. Even when it doesn't make sense, hold on to His promise. He knows the plan. Because like Jeremiah and me, your story is still being written. And God's not done with you yet. If this story reminded you to keep trusting God's plan, Share this live with someone who needs the same reminder tonight. Remember, your struggles don't mean you are off track. Sometimes they are just the path that leads to your purpose. So keep the faith, because even when life hurts, God will turn it all for good. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more about the business, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loryramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye.